A restaurant here in New Haven. It's more about the food, right? It's about the ambiance, some of the lighting, and Connecticut Lighting Centers is doing just that.
Yeah, CT Styles' Megan Yost has a story about how they transformed a New Haven restaurant with some unique commercial fixtures into something incredible. Take a look.
So Todd, we're at ShareCon in downtown New Haven. This is a gorgeous new restaurant. Tell me about Connecticut Lighting Center's involvement.
A lot of people think of Connecticut Lighting for just, residential lighting, for just dining room chandeliers or whatnot. We're really a full-service lighting center. We do commercial jobs, light commercial, but we really enjoy doing restaurants. We like to get involved from the beginning. From the inception, we see the plans, we see the booths, we see the inspiration, and then from that, we can really, help out in the whole project to make sure that it comes out the way that they want it to.
And speaking of inspiration, what was the goal for the look and feel here?
The goal for the look and feel was, not for the lighting to be a focal point, but to add a cool today, look and feel to the restaurant.
Every single light bulb in ShareCon is an LED, which is not only eco-friendly, but it also saves the restaurant money.
The lighting is very important in a restaurant because it's going to set the tone, it's going to set the mood. You want to be able to see the menu. Some people can't see as well. You also want to have decorative lighting that's pinpointing certain accents of the bar to kind of add to the ambiance.
They have a bicycle theme, and part of the bicycle theme was how are we going to either turn the bicycles into light fixtures or do something with the light fixtures to incorporate them into the bicycles.
It's outstanding to have this kind of lighting in a restaurant because you have the kind of the stars in the sky, you have the lighting overhead in the streets of India, the ability to take it down and bring it up. You can highlight any situation. I would highly recommend Connecticut Lighting Centers. They do an amazing job. They follow up. They make sure that the job gets done to the desires of the owners.